I made a video last week about Kinemaster basics. If you haven't seen it, watch that video through the card above. This video is a continuation of the first part. As I said before, this series will make you a Kinemaster expert. I was also told that I would post a video every Friday. I think I need to correct that because I need more than a week to make a voiceover video. The last video was hardly completed within a week. Therefore, I only post videos once a fortnight. As you know, Kinemaster is the best video editing app available on mobile. It is enough efficient than the PC version Filmora. When we open Kinemaster, we can see the videos that we have done before. Clicking on it will open a screen like this. The orange button here will take you to the editing page. The other 4 buttons are for play preview, share video, duplicate project and delete the project. Let us click on the edit button. Then we see a settings button on the left. We may misunderstand that it is the settings that we have adjusted before, but it is not. This button is the settings for each project separately. There are 3 types of settings: audio, video and editing. Auto Master Volume in audio settings is a tool to make the volume of each clip in project almost same. The bottom knob is meant to reduce auto volume if you feel it too high. The bottom 2 knobs are for smooth starting and ending of sound in the project. If necessary, you can turn them on and adjust its duration. The video settings are same as the sound settings. Default duration of photos and layers we adding is shown in the editing settings. It also indicates which is the default pan and zoom settings. You can arrange them all according to your interests. If we click any of these video clips, we will see the options menu of that video. 3 above is the trimming, zooming and the sound adjusting buttons. Using the trim button, the right and left sides of the timeline can be cut. That means, if you want to cut the beginning of the video, click on the trim the left of playhead. And if you want to cut the ending of the video, click on the trim to the right of playhead. You also have the option to cut the video clip in 2. Use it twice to cut the middle portion of the clip. Use the delete button on the left. The 2 icons at the top are for undo and redo. The last trimming option available here is split and insert freeze. As the name indicates, the option is for split the video in 2 and insert a freeze frame. We can also trim the video by pressing the yellow box we see when we click on each video clip. The next tool is pan and zoom. Adjust starting point and ending point zoom and click OK. Then Kinemaster will automatically make a beautiful video. They are mostly used for videos with persons or travel videos. For example, let us see a zoomed video. Hope you understand what I said. The next tool is the music tool. With this option, you can adjust the sound of the video. Here are 2 knobs for adjusting the sound. One of them is for audio ducking. I will include a video that explains the audio in the series. We will talk about ducking and other sound settings in that video. Below these 3 options, we will see a few more tools. The first of them is clip graphics. This is one of my favorite tools in Kinemaster. The clip graphics are visible only when you downloaded them from the asset store. It is a super option to give effects to videos with a single tap without any difficulty. In part 1, I have talked about the asset store. This is an example of clip graphics. You can adjust the effect position and length by adjusting the little yellow box in the timeline below. I think you know the speed tool without explaining. We can use this tool to adjust speed of the video. It can be used to make slow motion and fast motion videos. The speed changes of the video also change pitch of its sound. Keep pitch and mute audio options are included here to avoid that issue. Next is the reverse option. As the name implies, it is for make a reverse of the video. Next is the rotate and mirroring tool. You can use that tool to flip and rotate video. Using a color filter, videos can be given special effects. Once you select a filter and click apply to all the videos in the project will be on the same theme. Next is the adjustment tool. You can adjust the brightness, contrast and saturation etc. of the video. This only works if your phone has at least a 2 GB of RAM. Here also you can see apply to all option. Next is EQ tool. Using this you can adjust the video's equalizer. Reverb means K1, echo room, hold delay. Hope you got it. This is used to give different echo effects to sound. Next is voice changer. This is a tool to give effects like alien, men, and woman, etc. to sounds. Technically speaking, the tool is for pitch changing. This is the result when vignette is enabled then. I can tell you about the extract audio option in the video explaining the sound. Here you can click on the capture button at the top of the settings button to take a shot of where the timeline is located and add to the project or save it to your phone. Plus icons seen between videos are using for add transition between videos. Many transitions are available in the asset store. Just select an ideal transition and adjust the duration. Then press the right button. This series is not over. We still have a lot to explore in Kinemaster. Other videos in the series can be included on the end screen. This series will make you a Kinemaster expert. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. The next videos in the series and other similar videos will be coming to your phone every alternate Friday. See you guys again.